Kiss mama, baby. Happy rin ikaw? Happy ka?
There's so many progress that they have made. Remember the one video that I have, which is this was very small, and now the work is progressed. Plus, you can see if it is actually pretty long. Because look at the plants.
Ikaw mag-kiss ka niya.
Goldie.
Mahulog yan.
Oh my gosh! I heard that it was splashed. It might be because of the fishy.
Sorry.
Goldie. Puro ano naman si Gold? Inarte. So, inarte na naman. Oh wait, there's a dead fish right there. There's a dead fish just floating.
Because of the land.
Grabe. Imbis na ayusin nila yung earth, mas pinapaano pa nila.
To expand the hotels.
Tignan mo, look. Yung land na yun, hindi mo alam, mama, or di mo mali, this is actually, actually, I feel like this, we're standing right now, is actually an ocean. This is an ocean.
Tinabunan lang to ng mga semento.
Yeah, ocean to eh. Kasi kapag tignan mo dyan, may mga little bits of water.
Pinapangit na nila, no? Dati maganda dito.
Tignan
Long
mo.
time ago, there's no more gravel.
Tapos kapag medyo malaki na si Gab-Gab, di niya mauubutan kung anong ginawa nila. Dito.
Kaya may ang kawawa dyan yung mga next generation.
Oo, hindi
Ito
tayo.
magkakamot ah. Kayo
That's
yun,
why
kasi kayo yung mga next generation.
Hala!
Tignan mo, hindi nyo
Yun
na
ang
nakita
gusto
yan
ko
ng
mag-ano
maganda.
ganyan. Yan no, look at their back, mama. I heard a splash. Oh, there's an eagle! No, there's a seagull. Si Mami Lu na kami ni Mami Lu, we saw that. Tignan mo yung seagull, oh, trying to find some, yung pana, oh, ang daming lumalabas na bird out of water. I think there's a fishy.
Huwag mong ang singit mo dyan, anak ko ha, parang awa mo na ha.
Yeah, Hash.
We can see the picture.
Baba mo na kasi paa mo.
Like, I can sleep here. Like, this is so beautiful. Look the sky. And by the way, look at this. Yeah, it's a bit bright because look at that. The free wheel up there.
Oh, my machine.
What machine? Seagulls.
Gusto mo sumakay doon?
What? Yeah. Never mind. There's no more time na eh.
Hindi naman.
I want to bike kasi so bad.
Kaso mo check-in tayo dyan.
Ang
Tapos,
dalawa.
para hanggang gabi pa tayo.
Yeah!
And
Let's do
also,
it.
we
So
can,
we can
also
bike.
bike.
Gusto ko pa mag-bike
Gusto niya.
ko.
Ate and me,
Gusto
you
niya.
and Dad.
Yeah.
Tapos manood tayo ng mga play dyan sa
Yeah. Gusto tignan mo, I can carry
Makabalik
you
kayo kay
with
mami
that.
para nakakapag-work si mami.
Gusto ko mag-ganyan, no? I can you. How
Diba,
much is
God?
that kasi?
Mabait kayo ni ate na. Nagal ha?
Goldie.
Anak, huwag mo anihin. Kanina pa nga umaano yung mata ko. Huwag mo anihin. Sige ka, mabubulag ako.
All the time may hawak to this gravel. All the time it feels comfortable.
Baba na nga kayo, uwi na tayo.
And look. It looks so horrible.
If we can just...
Marami
Bye.
kasi maliliit na insekto dyan.
Would you actually
Yeah,
let
while
us?
we're picturing, there's an insect
Halina kayo.
flying.
Sige na, bati bako-bako dun sa parkingan natin. O, dali na. 1, 2, 3. Kaya
Parang
tayo.
na-realize ko parang tumaas to. Dati hindi to ganyan eh.
Ay, Diyos ko po.
Dati hindi siya ganyan. Ngayon parang tumaas na. Feel is tumaas.
Last time it's right here.
Umawa ka sa ama mo, Goldie. Umawa ka sa ama mo. Hawakan mo na.
Meow, 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 meow. Look at that. Just vibing around.
Malaki rin pala talaga yung hotpot.
Yeah, ano? What's happening over there? Is that the, one?
Alam mo, marami na rin nag-Christmas party ngayon.
Oh.
Kami nga sa next Friday.
Hmm.
Kung
Kailan
hindi
yung
nga
Christmas
lang
party namin, Mi?
Kayo,
Hmm.
baka third week.
Third week
Pag
yan,
ako may pera-pera na, susunod, kung saan ang Christmas party ko, doon tayo mag-celebrate. Yan yung ginagawa ng mga katrabaho ko. Kaya ako, wala.
Busy.
Mahal kasi yung mga hotel na pinag-Christmas year end party na. Pinapatan nga ako nito. Kung wala lang kayong ano na.
Mm-mm.